you guys. As you can see, dry season is coming up. All the green is turning strawish, and I didn't go to my local woods yet, because looking out of my window I see all the green vanished and disappear, and it's too hot, and I don't feel like stepping into all the dead bush and brush. It's a time of season I don't like too much. We don't have summer here, like we don't have a spring here in Israel. You just have like 2 weeks between winter and summer, and then boom, scorching. But on my way to work one day, I stopped by this deserted, what was once an orange plantation. You can still see some old untented orange trees with fruits from the winter, and this place has just turned into a heaven regarding edibles, because you have the old oranges trees that are standing, and right beside them in all sorts of places, this tree right here is a fig tree. So there will be fig fruits here soon. And looking over here with the red flower is the pomegranate that will be very much ready at around August or something like that. And in those trees right above me, you can see all those delicious forgot the name of it, you know, like tree strawberries, and they are sweet as honey. I mean, look at it. Look how plentiful this tree is. Just amazing, you know. I'm stopping here, and it's people don't come here. Like, people are taking their kids to the grocery for fun. Come over here, look at this. And not just that, but you can see two trees. They are the same trees with one different. You can see the black fruits, the red and black fruits, but then you see a branch of the other tree coming out here, and you see those white looking berries, and people think that the white ones, like these two, let me get out over here one. Yeah, these two are both ripe. They're a different variety, a different species, and usually the white ones are even sweeter. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're sweeter. Here's another pomegranate. So, you know, I come by here sometimes before work and after work, especially at this season, and you're just amazed how plentiful this place is. Look at this fig tree. Look how big it is. And what I should be careful about is making sure I don't step on some snake's tail, because this is snake season. I'll make a video once on using these as tinder. Not that you don't have any tinder here. This place is becoming tinder. I'll just keep on walking around and shut up for a little bit. It's very hard to be quiet. Even if you try to apply your silent walking, everything is so dead underneath you. Oh, look at this. This is grapefruit. Yum yum. I like grapefruit. Good. That's a good way of getting water. Thank you, nature. It's about 90 right now. And the difference between those places where there is no shade and the places where there are shade are amazingly different. I mean, I'm right here now. I'm being scorched by the sun, and this place over there would be so much cooler and so much nicer. And would be a great shelter for you to be in, because here it's actually kind of nice and kind of interesting. Oh man, this is one big bone. Oh, and it's nice and condensed. Really nice. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take it with me. Well, you never know what you find. Look, this is old watering system that was once here. Just it's amazing how beautiful this place is on one hand, and just above this tree line is civilization. I have to stop every once in a while to make sure I am letting all the snakes finding a better place than my path. And sometimes when you make so much noise walking, you don't hear the critters that are trying to move away from you or are moving towards you. So I'm stopping, I'm making sure nothing is moving, and then I will carry on. Coming out with a bone in my hand. I will make a handle. Check out this. Oh, this is awesome. This is not a tree. This is a vine that has taken over an orange tree. You can see it over there. And all those little guys are going to be grapes. So there you have it. Now I also have grapes in here. I could probably live in those woods forever, because you have all sorts of varieties that are coming out. Look at the old pomegranate that are coming out in different times of years. So you have oranges and grapefruits during the winter, and then you have those are edibles. I showed it in one of my videos when they were green. And you have grapes, and you have fig, and those little edible strawberries, and you'll have pomegranate. And oh, look at this! This is easy catch. This is, oh, they're big. Look at them! Look at them. They're the size of my thumb. Grocery. Ha! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. So really, what more can you ask? I really hope you liked this video, and that it was a bit enjoyable for you guys. I just had to show it to you because this place is so cool. So take care, guys, and have a good one.